Hey there, this is Dustin from Golden Rule. Your water heater works hard all year, but it's especially important during the winter. Let's go over a few simple steps to make sure it's ready to keep up when temperatures drop. First, it's a good idea to flush your water heater once a year. If you skip this step, sediment builds up, can reduce efficiency, and even cause your water heater to fail right when you need it the most, in the middle of winter. Next, check the temperature. If your water heater is set to 140, by lowering water heater temperature to 120, you can save up to 10% of water heater costs. Plus, lowering temperature to 120 not only saves energy, but also makes your home safer, especially if you have kids or elderly family members who are prone to burns. Lastly, your water heater is in a cold space like a basement, garage. Consider adding a water heater blanket. This will help insulate the blanket and prevent heat loss, making it work less hard to heat the water. A little maintenance now means no cold showers later. Stay warm this winter and hit the subscribe button for more home tips from Golden Rule to save you time, money, and hassle.